In this video, I'm going to be comparing and just like telling you like a brief overview about what the difference and which one is better, Tailscale or Zerotier. But to start it off, what Tailscale is it's basically a peer-to-peer mesh VPN that was built on WireGuard, which is another VPN virtual private network application out there, and it's designed to simply prevent networks with minimal configuration. Now, the strengths of Tailscale are it's extremely easy to set up and configure and just deploy on all of your devices, and if you are using it in a business or a ton of people, it is really easy to just set up and use in general. It has really fast speeds and really high speed security. So like everything you do is just extremely secure, and it's just really quick to respond to that. It has automatic key management, meaning it handles all rotations and distribution seamlessly when you're actually using it. So it appears that you're not even like on a VPN, just like you're on your normal network. And it does this really well across all of the devices, which I think is a major strength to this VPN. And it also integrates with identity providers, which is Google Workspace, Microsoft, Oteka, and any other providers like so. Now, it's just really good because you can like use it on pretty much anything flawlessly. And of course, the best part is it doesn't cost any money. It's completely free, which is actually shocking, which is why I think it's ideal for individual small teams and developers who are in need for fast and secure devices or services in a straightforward way. That's a good thing about this VPN. Well, if we look at Zerotier, it's basically a fully software-defined network, SDN, that eliminates a layer of 2 over the internet. Now, what this means is it basically has layer 2 networking, meaning it like eliminates a switch to an Ethernet type device or situation in the world, and it supports custom routing. So if you're looking for just more custom locations, just customizable abilities, this is definitely the VPN for you. And it's also cross-platform, and it's very customizable. Like I said, it's very flexible when it comes to network setups and including hybrid and multi-cloud deployments. So yeah, it's one of those VPNs that you should probably use if you really need to rely on just like custom things. But it is limited when it does come to configuration and management, but it can be complex to set up, which is a con to using this VPN. But it does take some time to set up, like I said, and once you actually start using it, it does become flawless. But just like the learning curve to this VPN, even though that's not much of a thing when it comes to VPNs, is slightly more than the average VPN, which is why it might not be ideal, but it is ideal for power uses, network engineers, and businesses needing advanced network features like layer 2 capabilities. So yeah, that's a good reason about this VPN. Now, those are my final thoughts, and here's a table on screen that I've actually created and done some research on if you are looking at the certain specs on it. But yeah, overall, I'd recommend just going through this table and deciding which one is the best VPN for you. But yeah, without further ado, that's the video.